In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Windows 10 for free, using USB. So without further ado, let's get started. To start with, go to Google and type Windows 10. Open the first result. Scroll down and select Download Tool now. Once downloaded, open the tool. Wait for the tool to load. Acne done, accept the terms and conditions. Because you have no other choice. Once done, select the Create Installation Media option when prompted. Select the version of Windows based on your system. If you are on a 32-bit system, select 32-bit, or select 64-bit. On the next page, select USB. When you click Next, the tool will auto-detect all connected removable media. If you wish to use another one, connect the new USB and wait for the tool to detect it. Click Next and wait for the process to complete. It may take some time. Once that is done, restart your computer while the USB is still connected. When you see your BIOS or your motherboard logo, hit the F12 button repeatedly as hard as you can. This will take you to the boot menu. Select your UEFI USB as your boot drive, and press Enter. This will start the installation process. Click Next and then, click Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it here. If you don't, just press I don't have a product key. On this page, select the Windows 10 version of your choice. We will select Windows 10 Pro for this demonstration. Click Next, then accept the terms and conditions. Click Next, select Custom Install. Here you can select the partition you wish to install the OS. If you want to start afresh, delete all the partitions and start from the beginning and click Next. Once the installation is over, just set up your Windows as per your needs. And boom, you are inside your latest version of Windows. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. Until next time, aloha.